Here is how to fix YouTube if it's not working on your Android phone. First of all, you need to open your phone settings, or you can also directly tap and hold onto the YouTube application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. And here you need to scroll down and tap on Storage and then click on Clear Cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application or disabling it, and then re-enable it again. And after that, go back to YouTube and your problem should be solved. It might take a moment to load since you're just resetting everything. Otherwise, you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your app info page and tap on uninstall updates. And after you've done that, try opening YouTube and see if it fixes the problem. Otherwise, you can open a Play Store or App Store, then search for YouTube, and if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and tap on that in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Hopefully, you can now use the app again. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.